Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to delete archived chats on Facebook using your PC. In this video, we'll guide you through a simple process to tidy up your Messenger inbox and remove any conversations you no longer need. First, let's get started by opening Facebook on your web browser. Type in the URL, and once the page loads, log in with your credentials. Now, navigate to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Messenger icon. Click on it to open your Messenger chats. Once you're in the Messenger section, you'll see a list of your conversations. To access your archived chats, click on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the chat list. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Archive Chats to view all the conversations you've previously hidden from your main chat list. Now that you're in the Archive Chats section, scroll through the list to find the specific conversation you want to delete. Once you've located it, click on the three dots icon next to the chat. This will open another drop-down menu with options related to that conversation. Choose Delete Chat from the menu. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the chat. Click on Delete Chat again to confirm your action. This will permanently remove the conversation from your archived chats folder. Remember, deleting a chat will only remove it from your side, so the other person will still have access to the conversation unless they also delete it. This process is straightforward and helps keep your Messenger inbox organized by removing unwanted or outdated conversations. By following these steps, you can easily manage your archived chats on Facebook Messenger using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.